left the port of Dumaguete, bound for Siquijor. No? Time check is 6 p.m. This is the last trip of Montenegro. These are Salbabida. Oh, ganda ng sun, no? Sa taas. So medyo smaller na Roro vessel. The travel time is around mga 1 hour and 30 minutes daw. So on the horizon, that's the port of Dumaguete. Ito yung mga first na vehicle na sumakay. Ganda ng very nice. So we left Dumaguete, Bacolod past 10 a.m. na kanina. We had lunch before Limay-Mailan ba? No? Then we tried yung South Negros na road. Dami mga foreigners pa dito. Ganda, no? On the horizon is Dumaguete. So medyo maganda yung biyahe today because we tried yung South Negros na road. Mas nakahabol kami sa last trip. We haven't booked for our overnight. No? This is smaller na Roro vessel. This one, no? Approaching na Roro vessel. Dumaguete. Galing siguro